Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you 3 simple steps using which you can increase the file transfer speed on your Windows PC. So in the first step, search for turn Windows features on or off. Now scroll down a bit and uncheck remote differential compression API support and click on OK. Now click on restart now for the changes to take effect. The second method, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description and copy this command line, paste it in the CMD window and hit enter. In the third and final step, simply search for services. From here, find the optimized drives services. Double click on it. Set the starter type to automatic and restart the service. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.